Cryptocurrency and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are both relatively new technologies that have been gaining a lot of attention in recent years. Cryptocurrency, also known as digital or virtual currency, is a type of decentralized digital currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. However, there are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies in circulation, including Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. NFTs, on the other hand, are digital tokens that represent ownership of a unique digital asset, such as artwork, music, videos, and other digital collectibles. These tokens are stored on a blockchain, which is a decentralized digital ledger that can be used to record and verify transactions. Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs are not interchangeable and cannot be exchanged for an equal value. Each NFT is unique and represents ownership of a specific digital asset. One of the key differences between NFTs and cryptocurrencies is that NFTs are used to represent ownership of a specific digital asset, while cryptocurrencies are used as a form of digital currency that can be used to purchase goods and services. This means that NFTs can be used to represent ownership of digital art, collectible items, and other unique digital assets, while cryptocurrencies can be used to make online purchases or transfer funds. One of the biggest advantages of NFTs is that they provide a way for digital artists and creators to monetize their work by selling digital assets directly to collectors and fans. They also provide a way for collectors to own a unique digital asset, which can then be resold or traded on a marketplace. This is different from traditional art in that traditional art is usually created as physical object. NFTs on the other hand can represent any sort of digital asset and can be stored and traded in a decentralized and secure way using blockchain. Another benefit of NFTs is that they can be used to track the provenance of a digital asset. This means that the history of a digital asset, including all its ownership and transactions, can be tracked and verified on a blockchain. This is important for collecting and investing on digital assets, as it provides transparency and security that is not possible with traditional digital assets. Cryptocurrency and NFTs are still relatively new technologies, and their full potential has yet to be realized. However, they have already begun to disrupt traditional financial and art industries, and they are likely to continue to do so in the future. They also raise some ethical questions, such as how to handle ownership and provenance of digital assets, tax implications, and how to regulate them. In conclusion, cryptocurrency and NFTs are two technological advancements that are gaining a lot of attention recently. Cryptocurrency as a decentralized digital currency, and NFTs as a way to represent ownership of a unique digital asset. Both these technology have the potential to disrupt traditional financial and art industries. While the full potential of these technologies has yet to be realized, it will be interesting to see how they evolve and impact the world in the future.